Hola! Thanks for checking me out. On my channel, I am doing some DIYs, hauls, small business reviews, and just random other dorky 30-something-year-old stuff. So let's get started. Hey guys, it is Brianne here. Welcome back. If this is the first video you're watching, then welcome. Today I am doing an unboxing of a brand called MI VIDA. So I made a purchase online on their online store. I'll put a little pic or something, or picture or something up here. But I was just doing my normal online shopping searches and stuff, which I need to stop because I've been spending like way too much money online. It's crazy. But anyways, I found MI VIDA, and there are just so many cute things that I wanted to buy. What I really liked is that they are a small business and based out of Los Angeles. So I'm from Los Angeles. I definitely want to support small businesses, and I want to support local businesses. So this was a no-brainer, super easy, a way to do both. So I ordered 2 items, and they just came in yesterday, so I'm so excited. First of all, look at this packaging. This is so me. Like, I am obsessed. This is one of my current obsessions are like leaf patterns. It's so Golden Girls. I just really like it. I think it's so cute. So they first won me over by this packaging. Like, it's so cute. When I opened it up, it had this inside, La Mano, and it says Vita. So cool. And then on the back it says, "Thank you. We are truly grateful for your support during this difficult time. Your purchase will not only keep you protected, it will also keep our doors open. Please wash items before wearing. Stay rooted." And I just thought that was really cool. Paz y amor, mi vida. So I just really like that. I don't know. You know, I love packaging. I love getting things. Like, this is so amazing. Like, I love this. And then I ordered 2 items. So this is a pretty small haul because I really had to cut back on my shopping. I did go back to work for about 3 weeks, and then we closed again. So yeah, like, I'm out of work again. I need to stop shopping. So the first thing I purchased was this necklace. And here it is. It says Chula. And I believe Chula is like pretty or beautiful in Spanish. So I just thought it was so pretty. I love necklaces that have, like, I had one that said Brianne and then it broke. I had a few of them that just had different things. But I love like personalized necklaces. This one I just thought was perfect because, duh, Chula. Anyways, I thought it was really pretty. So let me open it up. Oh my gosh. And it's adjustable, which is good because I have like a thick neck. But what is so cool that I want to show you guys is on the back of the packaging. Like, it is so pretty. And it is the Virgin Mary. It's so, but it's like, you guys can tell, it's not like your average, like the average pick. It has a lot of different detail, which I really like. I just am so excited. I wanted a necklace like this for a very long time. I've wanted a necklace with my name. I just don't know, I just can never find a place that has one that I like, or like script that I like. Oh my god, it fits so beautifully. You guys can see it. I'll put my shirt up more. But it's so pretty. I love it. I don't know if I have it on right. Is it? Yeah, there you go. You can see it. So pretty. Oh my god. I'm in love. I'm gonna wear this like all the time. I'm so excited. Love it. Okay. And then the next thing I received is this, and it said cropped sweatshirt, but it's actually just a t-shirt. So it's super thin material, like you can see through, I don't know if you can see through there, but you can like see the design through the back. So it's just like a super thin material, long sleeved. It is hooded. So I actually thought it was a sweatshirt. I didn't read all the specifics, like I never do. It does look like it's gonna fit me a little bit tight, but it does have a lot of stretch to it. It's so, I just really like it. I think it's gonna look really cute. I will do a try on with it so you guys can see what it looks like on, but I'm just so happy. I really like it. It's very just like that thin t-shirt, and I'm all about comfort. Like that's my style preference. Oh my god, actually it is an XL, but already I thought the arms would be tight. I thought the arms would be tight and they're not. So yeah, I'll do like a quick little try on and show you guys what it looks like. But this is so freaking cute. Like I'm so excited. Oh my god, this necklace, first of all, like just totally changed the way my outfit looks. Like this outfit was whatevs, but now it's like super duper cute. I'm like really feeling it. I really like it. I think it would look cute too with this sweater. So I actually go to the beach a lot, almost every day for the past like almost 2 weeks now. And the other night I was at the beach and I was so cold, and it was like the first time I decided to wear a bikini. I know. But this would have come in handy because I was so freezing cold, and I just had like a cropped t-shirt that I brought with me, and so I like had all my towels wrapped around me. But this would have been perfect because it's thin. You know, it, I'm sure it doesn't keep you super warm, but it probably keeps you warmer than a crop top. Anyways, I really like it. You guys should definitely check out MI VIDA. They have a lot of other items. I just was, you know, like this is something specific that I really wanted. There's a super duper close-up, you guys. This is something I just really wanted. And then when I saw this, I think this was like a special price. It was like on sale or something, so that's why I got this one. But I definitely recommend. And again, like I said, that is just some of the perks of shopping with a local small business. Is first of all, like, I just like, I feel like they know me. Like, you know me. I love this. Like, I love packaging. And then another just something that I love about shopping small business is just saying a thank you and knowing that your dollars are going towards a person. Your dollars are going to help support and fund somebody's dream and somebody's passion. And that's truly why I love and have been trying to support more small business. And MI VIDA is definitely a business I will go back to. They had a lot of different cute things. They had lots of cute apparel, accessories. So I know for sure when I have different birthdays or when the holidays roll around, that's definitely going to be one of my first stops because it's local. I think I ordered this stuff and it came, I always order stuff over the weekend and then like I have to wait, you know, Saturday, Sunday, but it came super fast. Like I ordered this just over the weekend and it's only Tuesday. So I mean, it came super quick and I am super happy. Like I'm super happy with what I received. You'll probably see this all the time now because I don't think I'm ever going to take it off. I love it so much. I will put prices and a link to their website below. Again, I did purchase this all myself because that's what I'm trying to do, support local business. And I think you guys should too. Especially if you're in like Southern California, Los Angeles area, definitely check out this brand. I highly suggest. And that's it from me. I'm gonna go do my try on, but have a wonderful day. Thanks for stopping by. Thanks for watching the vid. Hit like if you like this. If you have any other local businesses, they don't have to be specific to Los Angeles or to California even, but if there's any other great local business you think I should give a try or take a look at, definitely leave that below in the comments because that's kind of what I'm all about right now. I'm really interested in putting my dollars where I know they're gonna make the biggest difference, and trying to get away from shopping like bigger companies and huge corporations whenever possible. I really want to give back to those who are passionate and who care about what they do. So yeah. Okay guys, have a great day. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you later.